Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the operating system and making a quick backup. On Windows, create a restore point. On Mac OS, note current modifier mapping. On Linux, save current XKB settings. Once done, install any small utility you'll use PowerToys on Windows, Carabiner Elements on Mac OS, or ensure you can run terminal commands on Linux. Now open the appropriate settings area or utility. We're skipping general talk and moving straight into remapping the caps lock key to a harmless action or disabling. On Windows, launch PowerToys Keyboard Manager and map caps lock to nothing, or edit HKey local machine /system /current control set /control /keyboard layout with a scancode map value to disable it. Reboot to apply. On Mac OS, install Carabiner Elements and add a simple rule to change caps lock to no action, or set it via System Preferences keyboard modifier keys. On Linux, run sexgmap option caps, none, or create a persistent xmodmap rule. Make sure to test after each change so you know which method worked. Finish by testing in a text editor and in password fields to ensure caps lock is inactive. If the change didn't persist, make sure you saved the PowerToys rule, applied the registry change correctly, or added the Carabiner rule and restarted the service. To revert, use your restore point or undo the mapping in the utility. Troubleshooting tip: if caps lock reappears, unplug external keyboards, update or reinstall keyboard drivers, and confirm no vendor-specific software is remapping keys behind the scenes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.